A delicious sweet cheese pie is today's kitchen recipe. It is a simple, sweet, and cheese recipe. So watch till the end for an easy tutorial. Preparation times. Cooking time, 40 minutes. Ready to, 40 minutes. Ingredients. 1 packet of pie sheets. 1 kilogram of cottage cheese. 100 grams sugar. 5 eggs. 200 grams raisins. For baking, 2 tablespoons oil. 2 tablespoons milk. To be served. Powdered sugar. Method of preparation. 1. Prepare the filling first, for which the cottage cheese, sugar, and eggs are mixed to obtain a fine cream. Two. Add the raisins and set them aside until the sheets are ready. 3. Grease the large baking tray with very little oil and spread the sheets, 1 part for the bottom layer. Place these sheets on the bottom of the pan, greased with oil. 4. Sprinkle the bottom sheets and spread the cheese filling. Level, cover with the rest of the sheets, also greased with oil. Grease the surface with beaten egg with milk. Put the tray in the oven for 40 minutes, until the pie is nicely browned. Bring the powdered sugar to the table on top. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.